Hey folks, Mike Rowe here, ready to dive into a job that's anything but soft and fluffy. Today we're going to take a closer look at the evolution of cotton harvesting. We're talking about cotton harvesting, a process that's been around for centuries, deeply rooted in our agricultural history. For a long time, picking cotton was backbreaking work, done entirely by hand. It was a labor-intensive process that required a lot of manpower. Can you imagine spending hours under the hot sun, separating delicate fibers from prickly plants? It was grueling work that tested the endurance of even the toughest laborers. It was tough, but essential. The livelihoods of many depended on this painstaking process. Cotton, after all, is a miracle crop. Its versatility and utility are unmatched. We turn it into clothes, fabrics, and countless other products that we use in our daily lives. It's hard to imagine a world without cotton. But the demand for cotton grew faster than human hands could keep up. Something had to change to meet the increasing needs. Enter the cotton harvesting machine. These incredible inventions changed the game entirely. These mechanical marvels revolutionized agriculture, taking on the tough task of picking cotton so we didn't have to. They increased efficiency and productivity dramatically. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of cotton harvesting machines and learn how they transformed this crucial industry, making it more sustainable and less labor-intensive. The story of the cotton harvesting machine is a journey of innovation and ingenuity, a tale of human creativity meeting agricultural necessity. It all started in the 18th century with simple devices like the roller gin, which helped remove seeds from the cotton fibers, making the process less labor-intensive. But the real game changer came in the 20th century with the development of mechanical cotton pickers, which revolutionized the industry. These early machines were far from perfect, often breaking down in the field. They were bulky, prone to breakdowns, and often damaged the delicate cotton fibers, causing frustration among farmers. But despite their flaws, they represented a huge leap forward, promising a future where machines could handle the heavy lifting and reduce manual labor. Over time, inventors and engineers continued to refine these machines, making them more reliable and efficient. They added features like spindles and moistening systems to improve efficiency and protect the quality of the cotton, ensuring a better yield. And so began the rise of the machines, forever changing the landscape of cotton farming, making it more productive and less labor-intensive. So how do these mechanical marvels actually work? Imagine a giant vacuum cleaner moving through a field of cotton. Okay, it's a bit more complicated than that, but you get the idea. Modern cotton harvesters are equipped with rows of rotating spindles or brushes. These spindles reach out and gently twist the cotton fibers, separating them from the plant without damaging the precious crop. The detached cotton is then drawn into the machine, where it's cleaned and compressed into large bales. Some harvesters even use air suction to pull the cotton from the plant, a bit like that giant vacuum cleaner we talked about. It's a fascinating process to watch, a blend of brute force and delicate precision. Now, let's take a break from the machinery and talk cotton trivia. Did you know that a single cotton plant can produce up to 50 cotton bolls? That's a lot of fluffy goodness. And speaking of fluffy, did you know that cotton is naturally hypoallergenic? That's why it's often used in bedding and clothing for people with sensitive skin. Here's another fun fact. The average cotton t-shirt requires about 2,700 liters of water to produce. That's a lot of H2O, which is why sustainable cotton farming practices are so important. From its incredible versatility to its surprising water footprint, cotton is a crop full of fascinating facts. Section 5. The impact, a world transformed. The introduction of cotton harvesting machines had a profound impact on agriculture and beyond. Before these machines, cotton farming was incredibly labor-intensive. It took hundreds of workers to harvest a large field, and the work was slow and physically demanding. But with machines doing the heavy lifting, farmers could harvest vast fields of cotton with fewer workers and in a fraction of the time. This increased efficiency led to a dramatic increase in cotton production, making cotton more affordable and accessible to people around the world. The mechanization of cotton harvesting also had social and economic consequences, changing the face of rural communities and sparking debates about labor displacement that continue to this day. Section 6. Beyond the fields, cotton's journey continues. Once the cotton is harvested, its journey is far from over. The fluffy fibers are transported to processing plants, where they undergo a series of cleaning and preparation steps. First, the cotton is cleaned to remove dirt, leaves, and other debris that may have been collected during harvesting. Next, the cotton fibers are aligned and straightened through a process called carding. Then comes spinning, where the fibers are twisted together to create yarn. This yarn can then be woven or knitted into fabrics, ready to be transformed into clothing, linens, and countless other products. It's a complex and fascinating process that showcases the incredible versatility of this natural fiber. Section 7. Challenges and Innovations. The future of cotton harvesting. While cotton harvesting machines have come a long way, the quest for improvement never stops. Researchers and engineers are constantly working to develop new technologies and techniques to make cotton harvesting even more efficient and sustainable. One area of focus is precision agriculture, which uses sensors and data analysis to optimize harvesting practices and reduce waste. Imagine a cotton picker that can analyze each plant and determine the optimal time to harvest, ensuring the highest quality cotton while minimizing environmental impact. Other innovations include robotic harvesters and drones that can assist with harvesting and monitoring crops. The future of cotton harvesting is full of exciting possibilities. Section 8. Cotton and Our World. A lasting legacy. From the clothes we wear to the sheets we sleep on, cotton is an integral part of our daily lives, providing comfort and utility in countless ways. The story of cotton harvesting is a testament to human ingenuity and our ongoing quest to improve the world around us, showcasing our ability to innovate and adapt. What started as backbreaking manual labor has been transformed by technology, making cotton more accessible and affordable for people worldwide, revolutionizing the industry. But the journey doesn't end there. The evolution of cotton harvesting continues to unfold, driven by new challenges and opportunities. As we face global challenges like climate change and resource scarcity, it's more important than ever to find sustainable solutions for cotton farming and production, ensuring a balance with nature. By supporting ethical and environmentally conscious practices, we can ensure that cotton continues to be a valuable and sustainable resource for generations to come, preserving its legacy. Section 9. The End of the Row, or just the beginning. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the amazing world of cotton harvesting. From the early days of handpicking to the high-tech machines of today, we've come a long way. But the story of cotton is far from over. As technology continues to evolve and our understanding of sustainable practices grows, who knows what the future holds for this incredible crop? One thing's for sure, the journey will continue to be fascinating. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your work ethic strong. This is Mike Rowe signing off.